We've got a guest chef in the house, and Louis, what are you making for us tonight, Louis?
Michelin star sea bass, prawns, bruschettas, whole shebang.
And lots of fresh vegetables, look at those. All looking good there. Got some chopped green chilies. We don't know how hot they are, we'll find out when we eat them. And then all of the peppers are now all nicely chopped up. That's the onions and the garlic's all nicely chopped. We've already seen the chili down there when we were lots of tomatoes. This was a great success last night. I'm not going to do this on the barbecue, I'm going to stick this in the air fryer. So it's the same process. I'll wash it and then I'll just knock off the woody bits at the end, and then we'll cover them in oil and put them in the air fryer. There's some more onion being chopped over there. I've got some mushrooms to do as well. There's the asparagus, and I'm just going to drizzle those with olive oil and then put them in the old air fryer for a bit. And I'll just pop that in there and put it on to fry. It's on for 20 minutes, but we'll have a look after 5-10 minutes and see what it looks like. Chopping up the basil there and the aroma. Oh, absolutely delicious. And there's the mushrooms already finely chopped. And we're just getting some bread ready for the bruschettas. Quick look at the asparagus, which is cooking nicely. And we've got some sea bass fillets to have this evening. Doing a little bit of seasoning here, some herbs, some spices, some salt, some pepper. And here we go. Fish is all there, ready to go to be cooked. Finishing touches, a bit of chili, green chili on there. Prawns are all washed, the gambas. Everything is seasoned. Have a quick look at the asparagus. That looks almost done to me. That'll be ready in a few seconds. There's the gambas, the prawns all now all nicely being seasoned up. A bit of this and a bit of that. And a little bit of lemon juice. Fresh from the tree. So we're now getting almost ready for action. I'm just putting this on here. I'm going to toast the bread on the top here in the pan. And then we've got the pans on. That's really getting hot. This is going in. So I've put the butters on there, and it's just going to melt into it now. It's really hot.
Put that one in there, yeah?
Now we're going to load them up.
Have you got a bowl? It'd be a lot easier.
And there's the first plate done. Plate's done. Ooh, they look good. Little basil just to finish off.
Oh.
Well, the bruschettas and the asparagus were delicious, and now we're on to the main course. And there's the mushrooms.
Can we take face down or leave them here?
Malena likes the
What
mushrooms.
should we do, Leah?
Leave them back there, yeah, serve them
Yeah,
there.
leave them here. Put them on the side.
And now the sea bass is on there. Prawns. Sauce going on here. And fish.
Sea bass a la
It's the
Manchester.
Louis Alexander special.
Lads.
Asparagus.
I'm just adding the little asparagus to that. And
rotary chef.
we do have some sauce to go with this as
Round
well.
and round.
And there it is. There's our dinner for this evening. And thank you to
That's all.
Louis Alexander,
It's sweet.
Master Chef.
Enjoy.